So I have no idea what happened. I have no idea what happened to the footage at the beginning of this video. I drove around the Cayenne and showed you guys a little bit of stuff, and it just disappeared. So, sorry. But we're slamming the EVO today, and it's gonna be a good video anyways. Say, alright, bye guys. Enjoy the video. Like I did last week, I pulled the fenders to prepare this car for tucking that 275. This is a 275/35, and we were about to tuck it into the fender. Now, I'm not gonna try and go whack low on this. I'm not trying to go stupid. Actually, you know what? Who knows? We might be trying to go stupid. And I have been looking for wheels as well. There's so many wheels out there. There's some old school Works and some old school Rays that I've been looking at that I think might be really, really cool. If any of you guys have any 5x114 wheels for sale, I'm seriously in the market. I'm thinking we could fit something so sick under this. Commence the fun part of suspension. The other week, we had to go to my dad's shop and use an air hammer on the bottom of this nut, if you guys remember, because it was seized. Now that that can move, I'm just gonna go ahead and lower everything down. So this is probably the most tedious part. You gotta make sure that everything is the same height. You don't want the right and left to be different height, really. It's just a lot of trial and error. So I'm gonna lower, I'm gonna put the wheels on, I'm gonna lower it, I'm gonna see if I like it, and then if I don't, I'm gonna raise it back up, and then just keep working on it. Some people just lower it and you're like, that's fine. I'm not like that, so I gotta make it look just right. There we go. You can't have an Evan Shanks video without millions of problems. So I got this about 3/4 of the way up to where the other one was, and for some reason, it's stuck. I'm gonna lower the car down and see what the height difference is. I might have to go to my dad's and use his air hammer again to get this past this little spot, but this all moves together, and I cannot get it to move. I think that the passenger side was actually higher than the driver's side. I don't know, whoever installed these, or maybe they adjusted them last minute before they sold the car. The ride heights on the two rears are not even close to the same. Yeah, I just did some measuring, and this side is about a whole perch, if not more, higher than the other side. Alright, I've done 3 wheels so far. I ended up getting a flathead and a hammer, a mallet, and really smacking the crap out of this one to make it almost as even with that side as possible, but I'm still gonna try and use an air hammer on it, depending on how it looks when it gets on the ground. That one worked out just fine. That was the easiest of all of them. And then this little guy right here, I found out why they didn't want to lower it when they lowered the other side. This one is seized as well.
A few moments later.
I gave it a little more heat and some major ugga-ugga. I was just like, you know what? I don't want to give up just yet. And we got it, boys! Alright, let's get this thing slammed. Oh my god, the rest of my turbo kit's here. That's it. You need help? I love UPS so much. Bro, look at this box they sent me. That's crazy, dude.
Eventually.
False alarm. False alarm. That is a beanbag so that I can play Xbox in the living room. Dang it. Anyways, let's get back to this. This is how it sat on the ground. Like, that's what the suspension looked like. Show, girls, damn. It's low, but it's not low enough. I don't want Randy Trong to come commenting on my videos again saying it needs more low, so let me show you guys. It looks good. The car looks dope, and like, this is, surprisingly, this is still a very, very functional height. That's probably an inch lower than, it's probably a half an inch to an inch lower than it was, but because I pulled the fenders, it's so easy to tuck now. That means I'm definitely gonna have to go to my dad's shop today and use the air hammer on the front, but I'm thinking we can definitely go lower. I'll lower it for the first time. It's In the air, it's lower than what it was on the ground before. Damn. Let's get it done so I can show you guys how this looks. Yes, baby! It's been at least a week or more since I've driven this car. No, yeah, it's been a week. So I'm excited to hop in for one of the very last times that this car is not going to be stupid fast. Tell you what, dude, this car drives really, really well. I'm having absolutely no scraping or anything. It obviously needs an alignment. It is rubbing a little bit on the plastic piece of the fender. That is to be expected. I might just have to cut that out completely because that's exactly what I did on my STI. Let's get this coilover done. Let's hope this works.
6.5 hours later.
That's really weird. I've never seen a coilover seize that much, but it won't budge unless I use an hammer. This looks amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. Just a little sneak peek. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Y'all ready for this? You better be ready. All right, ready? Yeah. No check engine, baby. Except there is a tire light, which that's my fault. Let's get this thing aligned. I actually have 2 videos to film today, so I am kind of in a major rush. Literally been working since I woke up. Actually doesn't drive that bad. Oh, yep, it definitely. We're going to the side. Oh, yep, we need alignment. Yeah, that fender liner's definitely gonna have to come out. Personally, I can't lie, I'm really not a huge fan of NTB. The reason why I'm not a big fan of them is because whenever I did my STI, they actually didn't tighten one of my camber bolts on my lower control arm, and my lower control arm was literally flapping around, and I never brought it up. I never wanted to make it a big deal on here just to try and get views and make somebody else look bad, but people can make mistakes and understand that. So I guess let's go ahead and get this thing done. And looky who here to pick me up. Damn, this is a nice whip. Dang, town girl, who your sugar daddy is. This is a nice ass whip. Damn.
I don't know if I want you in here.
I know, I sound a little nasty. Is my butt good?
Your butt's always good.
All right, cool. Holy crap, boys. It looks so good. All right, you guys want to see it? All right, let's go. Crazy edits. Girl singing. I was like, I'm gonna make some crazy review. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna show you guys. Here we go. So, okay, obviously, there's a little bit of rubbing right there, as you can see, but that is because the inside of the fender just needs to come out, or I need to like try and flex it up a little bit, but it's fine. It's literally just plastic rubbing on plastic. But here we go. Let me go ahead and show you guys the best part about the car. And obviously, like, I'm a butt guy, right? That's a nice booty. That's a nice booty. It looks awesome. Now, one thing I have to say is I pulled the fenders a lot more than I thought I did. So it's definitely ready for a very low offset wheel. In fact, I could probably run my 15 mil spacers on the rear with 0 issues. It's whatever, at least it's functional right now. I got some tuck back here, boys. And I definitely need some new lower control arms because at this ride height, no way I'm gonna get any less negative camber than that without running some toe. And I would rather have 0 toe than 0 camber. But baby, she looks so freaking good though. I mean, damn boy, it looks so much better, just a little bit lower. So I would say we lowered this car, I would say an inch. I would say a solid inch. Oh shoot, there's a freaking Mustang coming, boys. Watch out. All right, he missed us, boys. We're good, we're good. These are super nice tires, and the last thing I want to do is go full stupid stance. I think this looks really good, but I did happen to get an alignment plan with them. They actually can't do custom specifications at MTB. They have to be factory specs. She looks like a beauty. Actually, like, wow, way good. Let's check it out, brother. That fitment tighter than a frickin' frick. Actually, so dude, if my fenders were not pulled, it would absolutely be destroying my tire right now. I'm just letting you guys know, like, this is like, I have a really good pull going on here. And I still love the quality of the pull that I did. And by the way, thank you guys. I had a lot of very credible people say that I did an amazing job of rolling fenders. That means a lot. That pull and that roll really allowed me to run this height. And you know what? It's impressive because we are running a 275 on this car, and we're tucking it into the wheel well as we're driving, and man, let me tell you boys what, that's freaking tight. Look at that fitment dough. That fitment dough. I know what you're thinking, that was a lot of wind noise, but I just wanted. Oh yeah, my neighbors love me. Actually, they do. They actually do. They actually love me. It's kind of good. It's pretty sick. I'm sorry, I should not have done that. Oh, we got tires too, baby. What could that be for? Whoa, whoa, whoa. 285, 35, wait, 22. 22, that doesn't seem right. But the Cayenne comes stock with 21s. You know what? I got a surprise for you, but I'm gonna make you guys wait till next video. I hope you guys love the fitment. Randy, if you're watching this, I'm sorry I couldn't tuck that all the way in, but my coilovers are bunk. Boy, she looks so freaking good, dog. Wow, okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm about to go film my second video for the day and then head to a meet tonight, so I got a busy day. I don't know why I'm out of breath, but I'm out of breath. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out and be victorious.